Have you ever wondered if the oil your car left the factory with is actually the best choice for keeping your engine alive for 200,000 miles or more? Every year, millions of drivers pour in the recommended 0W-20 without giving it a second thought. But across forums, repair shops, and oil analysis reports, more and more owners are asking one question. Is switching to 5W-30 actually better for engine protection? The answer isn't as simple as you might think, and before you change your next oil, you need to hear the facts. Let's start with one of Toyota's most respected engines, the 5.7-liter V8. Owners love this engine for its reliability, but many also notice that after the mileage starts climbing, the engine develops a louder idle and more noticeable valve train noise while running on factory 0W-20. Some owners decided to switch to a full synthetic 5W-30, hoping for smoother operation. Their first impression: a quieter engine and more confidence during long highway trips and summer towing. The reason is fairly simple. When an engine gets older, the tiny clearances between moving parts naturally increase from years of wear. A slightly thicker oil can maintain a stronger protective film, especially when the engine is fully warmed up. That doesn't mean thicker is always better, but in certain situations it can provide additional protection where it matters most. Now let's move to Toyota's newer twin-turbo V6, an engine that has generated plenty of discussion. Some owners noticed something interesting while reading owners' manuals from different countries. In North America, Toyota recommends 0W-20 for many driving conditions, but in several overseas markets the exact same engine is also approved for 5W-30 depending on climate. That raised an obvious question. If the engine is mechanically identical, why are the recommendations different? One owner decided to find out. After replacing his engine, he performed several early oil changes and sent samples to a laboratory for analysis. The results showed extremely low wear metals, healthy bearings, and stable oil performance. More importantly, his fuel economy barely changed after switching to 5W-30. His biggest takeaway wasn't that everyone should switch oils. It was that frequent oil changes may be even more important than the viscosity itself. That brings us to one of the most controversial engines in recent years, the GM 5.3-liter V8. Many owners have experienced lifter failures, noisy valve trains, and low hot idle oil pressure. While oil alone won't fix a mechanical problem, several drivers reported noticeable improvements after switching to 5W-30. They described quieter engine operation and higher oil pressure once the engine reached operating temperature. Why does oil pressure matter? Because pressure helps maintain the protective oil film between moving components. If that film becomes too thin under heavy load or high temperatures, metal parts have less protection. That's why many mechanics recommend paying attention to how your engine is actually used instead of focusing only on the number printed in the owner's manual. High-mileage engines tell another interesting story. Jeep owners with the popular 3.6-liter Pentastar often complain about the well-known ticking noise that develops over time. Some switched to a premium 5W-30 synthetic oil, and noticed the ticking became much less noticeable after just one oil change. While every engine is different, many technicians agree that older engines sometimes benefit from slightly thicker oil, because internal wear increases with age. Diesel owners have also been running their own experiments. One Duramax owner compared multiple used oil analysis reports while testing different oil viscosities. After switching to 5W-30, he found lower iron wear, more stable viscosity, and healthier overall oil performance. Instead of relying on opinions, he relied on laboratory data, and that's one of the smartest ways to evaluate any maintenance decision. But here's where many people get distracted. Drivers spend hours arguing about 0W-20 versus 5W-30, while ignoring the single biggest factor that affects engine life: oil change intervals. Even the best oil eventually breaks down. If you spend most of your time driving short distances, sitting in traffic, towing heavy loads, or making frequent cold starts, your oil ages much faster than someone who drives long highway trips every day. That's why many experienced mechanics recommend shortening your oil change interval under severe driving conditions. Fresh, clean oil protects better than old, contaminated oil regardless of viscosity. In many cases, changing your oil every 5,000 miles instead of stretching it to 10,000 miles can have a much bigger impact on long-term engine health. Another important point is climate. If you live in a region with extremely cold winters, thinner oil helps the engine circulate lubrication more quickly during cold starts. On the other hand, if you regularly drive in hot climates, tow trailers, or spend hours cruising on the highway during summer, a slightly thicker oil may provide additional protection once the engine reaches full operating temperature. So should everyone immediately switch to 5W-30? Absolutely not. Every engine is designed differently, and manufacturers make recommendations based on extensive testing. However, it's also true that driving habits, climate, mileage, and engine condition all influence what works best over the long term. The smartest approach is to stop treating oil viscosity like a one-size-fits-all answer. Listen to your engine. Pay attention to unusual noises, monitor oil consumption, perform regular maintenance, and if you're considering a viscosity change, make sure it matches your specific engine and driving conditions. At the end of the day, there isn't a magical oil that guarantees your engine will last forever. But combining quality synthetic oil, reasonable oil change intervals, and proper maintenance gives your engine the best chance of reaching hundreds of thousands of miles with fewer problems. Now we want to hear from you. Are you still using the factory-recommended 0W-20, or have you already switched to 5W-30? Tell us what you drive, how many miles are on your engine, and whether you've noticed any difference. Your experience might help another driver make the right decision before their next oil change.